Hello everyone. So today we'll be starting with parameter norm penalties. This is the second video in unit 4 in NNDL. I request you to check with the first one. Clear? So in simple words, let's see what is this parameter norm penalties. Okay. Now basically this is a technique, okay, which is used to prevent overfitting. We have checked in the first video what is regularization, and in the second video we are seeing what is parameter norm penalties. It is a technique which is used to prevent overfitting. Okay, where are we preventing this in deep learning models? Okay, in deep learning models. All right, now these are the penalties. What are these penalties? These are the penalties which add a constraint on the size of the model parameters. Okay, now they basically make sure that the weights that are there that do not grow too large. Now these are two types that we are going to discuss. First one is L1 lasso and L2 ridge. Okay, L1 basically it encourages sparsity by pushing some weights to 0. Okay, L1 is nothing but it is helping, it sparsity encourages sparsity by pushing some weights to 0. Now what does L2 do? It is a ridge. Okay, what does ridge do? It basically distributes the weight. Okay, ridge basically distributes the weight value more evenly, reducing their magnitude. I'll do one thing. I'll explain this with an example. Okay, maybe you'll be able to understand this parameter norm penalties in a better way. Now, for example, imagine there's a teacher. Okay, there's a teacher and a teacher who wants students to solve a problem. Okay, she is given a problem and she wants the student to solve it in the shortest steps possible. Okay, now if a student writes unnecessary steps which is not required, they are penalized, right? They are basically removed or they are penalized. Now similarly, in this norm penalties, they discourage excessive complexity in models. Okay, ensuring they generalize well to new data. That means whatever steps are not required, they are all penalized. Clear as that? So here parameter norm penalties is nothing but it is a technique which is used to prevent overfitting in deep learning models. They are of two types, L1 lasso, L2 ridge. What does L1 do? It basically encourages sparsity by pushing some weights to 0. While what does L2 do? L2 basically helps in distributing these weight values more evenly, which is reducing their magnitude without eliminating them entirely. Clear? The example that we have seen is teacher wants the student to solve a problem in the shortest step possible, but if a student tries some unnecessary step, they are penalized. Okay, similarly in this norm penalties, they discourage excessive complexity in models, ensuring that they generalize new to well to new data. Clear? So this is the second video. Coming up is norm penalties as constraint optimization. It will be there in the playlist. I would request you to check it. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, do subscribe and like the video. Thank you.